Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I wouldn't call this a vlog, but I guess it is kind of sort of like a vlog. I just felt like filming today. Why is there an alarm going off? Oh, that was my reminder. Let me not forget that I was about to do that. Yeah, let me do that real quick. Hold on. I'm not going to be filming in here, so don't worry about the lighting. I just finished my little morning routine. So I'm about to print out, or I'm fulfilling my orders from Black Friday. So I'm about to print out the, what do you call them? The packing slips first. I have to go in my boyfriend's room to print the packing slips because the printer is in his room now. Not my shipping label printer, but like the regular printer. But yeah, I'm not sure what all I'm gonna film today, but I do have quite a bit that I have to get done today. I don't know if I'm gonna call it this video a vlog, but it is gonna be semi-vlog style how I'm filming today. So for everybody that shopped with me, for everyone who shops with me in general, I appreciate you guys, but everybody who shopped this weekend for the Black Friday sale, I'm so grateful for you guys. Super thankful. All last week I was feeling kind of discouraged because wasn't getting sales throughout the week, so I felt kind of discouraged. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna stay grounded, I'm gonna stay present, I'm gonna work on my marketing, sending out emails, creating content, and I'm gonna get some sales on Black Friday. And I think on Black Friday itself, I think I got 10 orders total, which was a great day for me. I was so thankful. Like, that really turned my mood upside down, and I was like, oh my god, I hit my weekly sales goal basically in 2 days, and I was just so happy. Like on Friday and Saturday, I basically hit my sales goal for the week, so I was super thankful for that. I was just like, wow, I was in shock, honestly. But thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate y'all. But yeah, I'm about to print out the packing slips, and I'm gonna take y'all in there with me, and then yeah, that's that. But right now I was in my beauty studio. This is my beauty studio, and then this is my office right here. But yeah, this is my boyfriend's office, and I'm about to print out, it's like an office slash studio. But yeah, I'm about to print out my packing slips and then head into my office to do these orders. Okay. Hey guys, so I looked over all my packing slips and I need to get the packaging ready that I'm gonna be shipping in. So I'm gonna time lapse this part, but I just wanted to kind of tell you guys what I'm doing. But yeah, I'm about to time lapse this, so yeah, enjoy. Okay, so I got on my packing slips, sanitize my hands again. I'm doing all the ones with the bubble mailers first. Since I had to touch my phone real quick, I wanted to record a quick clip of all the orders just because I feel like that's satisfying to see that. I don't know, but you know how much germs is on our phones, so I wipe my phone off pretty often, but still, it's just one of them things. You know there's germs on your phone. So I'm about to pack up these orders. And yeah, we're gonna fast forward this portion of the video too, but I just wanted to show you guys everything. And then stay tuned because I'm gonna put together a couple of starter kits. One of them is already put together. I'm shipping out, I think, 3 kits total right now. One of them is already put together, and I still have to put 2 more of them together. So I'm gonna show you guys that portion as well. You guys, I completely forgot to put face mask in these orders. I'm so annoyed with myself. Usually anytime any of my customers order like lip gloss base or like lip gloss jars, pre-made jars or anything like that, I always try to remember to put a face mask in there complimentary, but I completely forgot. But I'm not about to waste packaging and tape and all that just to open them up to put them in there because they are complimentary. I don't always put them in all the orders, you know, but I try to remember to. So I'm annoyed with myself, but back to time lapse, you guys. You guys, I don't know if you noticed I was struggling, but this little sticky piece right here kept getting stuck to my hands, and the stickiness got on my gloves, and then it was getting on the product, so I kept having to wipe everything off with alcohol to get the stickiness off. I should probably close my jacket because my cha-chas are probably just bouncing all over the place. I am so sorry, y'all. I didn't even think about that the whole time I was... Woo, is that better? Now we covered up. I'm so sorry about that, you guys. I was just flashing y'all the whole time like this. But yeah, I'm about to put together the starter kits. Take a seat for a second. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna weigh out all of my packages. I have weights in the system, so the shipping is calculated at checkout, but for some reason the weight once I'm done packing it is always a little bit off. No matter what I do, no matter how many times I adjust the packagings in the system. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. I just remember I'm gonna take one of these orders off of here because it's actually for my friend, and she told me to switch the shipping address because she's shipping it to her her niece. So I have to update that one. So I'll take that one off of this list. Yeah, it's this one. And then I'll just do these ones separate. I'm gonna go grab my water real quick. I don't know why I have hiccups all of a sudden. It's so, oh my gosh, it's so random. Excuse me. I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse this part 2. Oh my gosh, these hiccups. But I just wanted to check in and tell you guys what I was doing, just in case you guys didn't know. I'm sure a lot of you guys already knew what I was doing, but just in case it wasn't self-explanatory. Jesus. I'm just using the thank you cards to cover up their addresses, but now we going to the post office. I don't know if I'm gonna take y'all with me yet. Well, you guys, we made it to the post office, and when I say we, I mean me and your orders. We made it to the post office. I'm not gonna be able to record once I'm in there because I just realized I would need somebody to hold the camera while I'm dropping stuff in a Dropbox, and I'm by myself, so that's that. Why do I look like I've been cleaning the house all day? This is a cleaning the house type of look. I don't feel like it made any sense for me to get dressed today looking cute when I'm just chilling. It's Monday morning. I had a long weekend. A nice long weekend though, like a good weekend. But yeah, I'm about to go inside the post office, so yeah, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I completely forgot to finish filming this video, so I decided to show you guys me filling up my new lip gloss Ashley 2.0 in my brand new wand tubes. They're so cute. I'm obsessed with them. This gloss, along with 3 other glosses in my wand tubes, will be available tomorrow, and 2 new holiday glosses in my squeeze tubes. So yeah, make sure you guys check that out. I'll have my website linked down below for you guys. But yeah, if you guys did like this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, and turn on your post notifications so you guys could be notified every single time I post a new video. And again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, you guys.